Analysis, advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. Today is 17th day of December 2020. We are wrapping up the year. We are also wrapping up this week. My name is Samuel Koyacha. If you like my analysis, you subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our Telegram channel where we share ideas from time to time for free. You can equally request for students class and add it for students class. You have 13 days to be added with a low amount. I charge very little money to teach people what I do. If you have been watching my video, you will see the accuracy is very, very encouraging. We are doing good. We can teach you what we are doing with little money. My next year, everything will change. Okay, let's begin. Here is the US dollar index. This is daily chart. Remember, excuse me, this line have been there for long. I forecasted that we are going to touch, that we are going to go below 90. Now it's at 9.7. We might have a little pullback and still come down. So my first expectation is that we will have a little pullback and come down here around 88 before we can expect a bullish move. In fact, I'm expecting a lower price unless I see a sharp move. If I see a sharp move that pierces this line, I mean a sharp move, before I can change my bias. But for now, I'm expecting a little correction and down move. That's for daily chart. 4 hours, there are no difference on 4 hours. There are no difference. We might have a retest of this very trend line before we keep going down, unless we see a sharp break of this trend line. The fifth wave might have terminated here, but I expect a down move. Okay. Okay. There's no difference between 1 hour and 4 hours. No difference between 1 hour and 4 hours. They are pointing the same direction, and nothing to show that it will be difference. Only we can have a kind of correction towards here and down. That's to come to the 4 of 5. Okay, Euro USD on daily candle. Remember Euro USD, when the price was here, I forecasted that if price closes above here, that we are going to come to this level. Now we have touched this level, but I can tell you we might still go a bit further before the sell will start. If we check from here to here, it's a very big move. If you have traded above here, maybe from here to here, you have make a lot of money by now. Remember, when I was forecasting, I was thinking that we might have another pull down, but I said if the market closes above here, it will go far further, and it has happened that we are going further. So that's for daily. Let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, you can see we have had wave 5, but that's not all. We can see we will likely come to 1.24. Euro USD will likely come to 1.24. So having touched here can be wave 3, then wave 4 will be somewhere here, and 5. So I will be surprised if the price comes up here. But if it doesn't come up, remember we started trading the uptrend from here. So it's a very big move already. If price turns here, I will not be surprised. But as I'm still expecting a move towards 1.24, towards this area. That's my first expectation before the selling will continue. Okay. 1 hour. There's nothing to show on 1 hour. Nothing to show on 1 hour. 4 hours and 1 hour is always the same thing. That we are trying. We might still get. That's the price. The market might. We might see a 3-wave pullback, A, B, C, towards this trend line. Then another 5 waves to this place before we will begin to have a very nice sell. I'm expecting a move towards this very area, 1.24, 1.237 area. I'm expecting another move up. But before then, we will likely see a correction in 3 waves. Okay? GBP, USD, British pounds, US dollar. This is a monthly chart. I came here with a reason. Why did I bring out the monthly chart? Is because this move is impulse. As long as this low have not been taken out, it is an impulse. So whatever is happening here is a correction. So from what I'm seeing, we might have started. This is with W, with X have terminated here. This type of candle is a very strong candle. So once we close above here, know it that we are going all the way to this area. But you know, this is a monthly candle. So don't think it will happen under 2 months or 3 months. Maybe in next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, the price will come up around 2.5. So that's why I brought out the monthly chart, because I expected the price to come down all the more for a while, but it refused. Then I have to come back to the monthly chart. So this is the weekly chart. These 2 candles have a message for us. When price moves like this and it comes very fast like this, it means everything have ended here. So that's why I said that the monthly wave X have ended, that we are now moving up. So wave Y, excuse me, will likely be in 5 waves. But one funny thing is that this very move is unlike an impulse, but it's moving gradually. It have closed above this area. On the candle, I have marked this area for long, waiting for the close. As you can see, the price is above this area now. So I'm expecting a further move up. Okay. Daily, daily, you can see it. This is wave 1, A, B, C, 2, then 3, A, B, C, 4. Then we are going to wave 5. That is maybe wave 1 of 5. I mean, in a bigger wave, it should be 1 around somewhere here. And we already have in some waves 1, A, B, C, 2. Then 3, we have 4, 5, and so on. So as long as this level have been broken, I'm expecting more move up, unless we have a sudden sharp move below this trend line. But what I'm expecting a correction to happen, either to stop here or even to come here, then continue up. If you don't see a sharp move like this that pierces this line, we are going up. But if you see a corrective move towards this line, we might have something like this towards this line, then we are going up. Okay, 4 hours, nothing new in 4 hours. This is wave 1, wave 2, 3 we end here, then we have ABC for maybe somewhere here, then this line will be pierced and it is going up. So we are going up, up, up. Okay, nothing to show in wave 1, so no need for wave 1. There's something that can, like I said, that seems to be strange, but not totally strange. Many times pounds, yen, pounds, dollar move the same direction. If you watch the daily and weekly, you can see this type of move. We have it on pounds, dollar, but surprisingly, pounds, dollar is moving up and the pounds, yen is sluggish. So for this reason, sometimes they can disagree. In that case, we might have a sell. Pounds, yen might be selling while pounds, dollar is buying. It's possible. It happens sometimes. But what might happen is that pounds, yen might be selling fast, and the pounds, dollar will be correcting. Pounds, yen might be going like this, pia, pia, pia. The pounds, dollar will be doing something like this. So I'm expecting a down move on pounds, yen, and up move on pounds, dollar. Let's go to 4 hours. So nothing new on 4 hours, nothing different, but you can see this line have been there for so long. Price have tried to break it, it comes back, try again, comes back, almost hit again, and you can see the price coming back again. So the selling might start here. So I don't see this price breaking this very line now, unless I see a corrective move like this, then it can break it. But for now, I'm expecting the downside. Okay. On 1 hour, nothing more. On 1 hour, I'm only waiting for the break of this trend line, and I will enter sell. I'm only waiting for the break of this trend line, I will enter sell. As simple as that. So no count, nothing to analyze on 1 hour. Okay. You know JPY. Remember this line, it has been there for long. I said if price breaks it, we are buying, and it has broken it. If you haven't opened a buy position, though the year is coming to an end, not a good time to be trading anywhere. But if you must trade, wait for a break of this very line and enter buy. Maybe you take a profit at 128.5. So let's go to 4 hours. You can see on 4 hours, this is consolidation. So I expect the entry of a break of this very line. So it's either break here, correction, then buy, or it make more consolidation before it breaks. But surely it's gonna break this very channel and go up. That's for 4 hours, not on 1 hour. So we move on gold. On gold, I made a little adjustment on gold. Before I said that gold have completed its correction here, but there's something I saw made me have a rethink. I saw something on the chart, but that's not what I will go to explain to you. But I saw something here that made me think to have a second option. First option, that gold have ended the correction here and it will continue going up. Secondly, we will have a kind of turning around here. That is, we will have this bullish move we end before the break of this X level, and if it ends before the break of this X level, we're gonna have another leg to make it WXYXZ. Do you get me? I think you do. This is ABCW, ABCX, ABCY, ABCX again. So we might still have gold come back to 1700, 1720, 1730, but not very soon. I saw something that made me to think it will happen. Right now, let's keep watching what happens between this trend line and this very vertical line. Is it yeah, but I don't know, vertical or I don't know, cross line. Okay, on 4 hours, I'm expecting that this wave X will end here, then we will have another sell. But if price keeps going up and breaks here, then this very selling will no longer hold. Okay, so what I'm saying is that if I can see trade this here again, if I see a correction here, I will enter buy, then I will close it around here, then I will look for sell setup, then I will enter sell, because I'm expecting another sell before we begin the real bullish move. So that's all for gold. 1 hour, nothing to show on 1 hour, except the only thing I can see on 1 hour is that we might have from here we might have a correction towards this trend line, then we buy towards here, then before we sell. That's the only thing I see on 1 hour. USD card, I went as low as the weekly candle. I have showed the weekly chart before. I said that we are going towards 1.2. So I still stand on their analysis. We are going towards 1.2. Okay, so around here, I'm expecting this to end around here, but not within 1 week. You see, this is a weekly candle, so maybe January, February, March, we might get there. So daily chart, unless a sharp move breaks here and makes correction, then buying will continue. If not, I'm expecting a continuous dropping. Maybe it might be doing this type of thing until it gets down here. So that's my old forecast for USD card. It means nothing have changed, because this has been my last two analysis on this have been the same thing. On 4 hours, nothing new, no difference, unless we break here. That is, break both here, then no buying, continue selling. Okay, Bitcoin, I think I deserve a round of applause on Bitcoin. Remember, I said that Bitcoin, when it comes to this area, it will begin to come down. Check my videos, you will see it. I put this line for long ago when price was here, either here. Price was either here or here, and I said if the price breaks this very top, it will come around this area, then we have a correction, then it will continue going up. So what I'm saying is that while I was saying that we do not buy Bitcoin now, is that I know this will happen. I will not like in a situation when you think that it's got 30,000, then you buy it here, and this will begin to happen. That's why I'm one of my students. Bitcoin was around here, and I was telling people this is not the best time to buy Bitcoin. I know why I'm saying it. We might have this type of correction, A, B, C, before we buy again. It can end here before we buy again. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, then you have to wait until we know what is happening. From you can see the price touched here and it's coming down. So let's know what's happening here before we begin to buy, because if I haven't been given the warning, some of my friends might be buy Bitcoin from here, and by now they'll be confused. Some might have bought here, and they will think it will go to 30,000 direct. It will go to 30,000, but not straight. So something will happen. It will correct. It will make a pullback correction before another buying. So if you want to buy, get ready after this correction. The correction can come down here, or it may end here, but I doubt if it will end here. I doubt if it will end here. I doubt. You might have A, B, C. It can even come down here. You know how Bitcoin behaves. So you can now be getting ready to buy. Alright? So what again? I think I have finished what I have today. What again do you want me to touch? I have made so many analyses. Gold and silver, they are doing almost the same thing. So okay, let me touch USD JPY on daily chart. Okay, there's something I told my subscriber on Telegram. I told them that we will likely see 102. So from what's happening on USJPY, we will likely see 102, unless, in fact, I'm not talking about buying if this channel is not broken. So, but I am optimistic we're gonna see 102 point something. So the price will likely hit this very low channel before it will buy. So I think nothing more. Hours and 1 hour, nothing more. You can see the speed is going down. So as it keeps going down, we are heading to 102 or thereabout. So what do I expect? I'm expecting a correction. Maybe it will touch here and keep going down. So USD pound, dollar yen, I'm not selling, I'm not buying. I would prefer to wait, because when it will buy very, 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 very well. So I'd rather wait to buy than to sell. 1 hour, nothing to show. 1 hour and 4 hours is always something. Except we are seeing, okay, now we are seeing a correction. Maybe it have started. Maybe we might have something like this, something like this, something like this. Then this will continue. So that's all for dollar yen. Anyone again? Wow. Anyone again? USD ZAR. Wow. It keeps going down. Okay. On daily USD ZAR. On daily, you can see. Let me make it bold. On my last analysis, you can see I pointed out, since the price have broken down from here, that we will touch at 8.6. Now we are almost at 8.6, but don't be surprised if it breaks it and touch the lower trend line. So what am I trying to say? The buying is delaying. Instead, the selling continues. So if you are selling USD ZAR, consider taking a profit around here or here. So I prefer to wait for the buying opportunity than to selling it at this very price it is now. It's not an ideal to trade. Okay, so on 4 hours, do we have anything new on 4 hours? Nothing new on 4 hours. Nothing new. So the price is moving gradually, coming down. So we will wait for a breakout. Let's go to 1 hour to see. And 1 hour, we are as whenever the price is moving like this, I will always be waiting for a breakout. That is, I'll be waiting for something like this, a sharp move like this. Then I wait for a correction. Then I will buy. But until it happens, I'll just be watching it. Okay. Any chart again? Any chart again? Any chart again? I think I will round off here. Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, the wave X is almost completed. The wave X have been completed. I don't know how far it will go, but oh, this very move is very strong. When this happened, you see, if you do what is called candlestick pattern, you will know that this is a kind of reversal candle. This type of candle is a type of reversal candle, but it's failed to reverse. When I saw this, I expected the price to move down from here before it keeps going up. But you can see US dollar is very weak. Dollar is very weak. This type of candles is always a reversal candle, but it didn't reverse. So who knows how long it will still go. US dollar's weakness is something I can't understand. Okay. We keep watching to see what happens. Flowers, anything on flowers. Well, it will keep going up. It is going up. I'm waiting for a reversal candle or any other thing. I think from what you are seeing, what I'm seeing here, it will continue going up. This type of move, when it happens, if price breaks this channel, it will still be going up. So if you have an open trade on US dollar, Australian dollar, you can still wait for a higher move. The market will still go up. From the structure it is forming now, it will still go up. Maybe by next year we need to talk about selling, but for now it is buying all the way. So we might have something like this ABC before it keeps going up. Okay, I call it a day. Trade with care. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share our video, invite your friends, like our video, join our Telegram channel. I will drop all the links on the description of this video. Trade with care, use stop loss, don't overtrade, use proper loss strategy in consonance with your equity. God bless you. Bye.